Hello and welcome to Janky Cooking with Jessie. Today we are going to use these great ingredients and more to make a chai spiced ice cream in our Ankarsrum. I've never done this before, but I wanted to give it a try. I'm going to start by taking 1.5 cups of milk and cooking it for 30 minutes over medium heat with a trio of spices. I have here 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're heating this up just to bring out the flavor of the spices. I read online, one of many different places I went to see how to handle spices, that it just tastes better after you cook it for a while. The first website said to boil it twice, and another website said cook it for 30 minutes if you have time, over medium, and then boil it at the very end. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to chill this in the fridge before I make the rest of the ice cream. Okay, stirring is working here. It's just been a minute or two, and I managed to get all of the spices in. So now we'll start our 30-minute countdown. When that's finished, I'm going to chill this in the fridge for an hour or two till it's nice and cold. Then I'll walk you through putting this through the ice cream maker. Stay tuned. Oh no, you guys, I forgot an ingredient. This is 1 cup of sugar. I thought about using honey, but I read online that sugar is what's traditionally used in chai. So I'm giving it a try this way. Just gonna give it a quick stir. I use kind of a large granule sugar, so I'm actually very happy to be cooking this before I put it in our ice cream. So there you go, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of milk. Simmer that for 30 minutes over medium heat, then give it a quick boil, then we'll chill it. Okay, just checking in, you guys. This is at the 13-minute mark. I actually have set my stove to low because I had it at 2 and it is now boiling. Yay for electric stoves. So I took a taste. It tastes like spiced syrup. It is so sweet. It's good that we're adding more liquid to the final product because this right here is liquid sugar. 30 minutes is up. I turned the temperature up to 2 and it was like, let me simmer again. So I'm going to turn the temperature way up here. We'll see if we can get it to do a quick boil. Okay. Wow, yikes. Uh-oh. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let's just take that off. Okay, we're just, oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna strain this out. I have a really exciting little system here I just put together. Check that out, we got a jar, and then a jam funnel, and then a strainer, just in case any of the gunk happened. Anyway, let's let this chill in the fridge, and then I'll show you the final steps of making the ice cream. Hope you're enjoying. Oh, and welcome back. It's time to make this ice cream. Here I have our container of 1.5 cups of milk that we have mixed together with our spices and our sugar. Whoa, look how thick and syrupy that is. That's 1 cup of sugar. It is 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon cardamom. Oh no, I did it again. I just have to say it takes a truly talented individual to screw up this often. I don't really know how I get anything done. Okay, so this is, as I said, 1.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon cardamom, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon ginger. Here, hopefully this pours in well. Let me see if there's a different way I can pour it in. We'll try a different container. I don't think that cup is going to pour well. Here we have 1.5 cups of half and half. I didn't have a whole amount with heavy cream, and I really frankly didn't want that much heavy cream either. Well, this is going to make a full container. And then we have 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Now, you can also do only heavy cream, or you can also do only half and half. This is going to be up to you, what you have in the house, and just how creamy you want your ice cream to be. I feel like this is going to really challenge my Ankarsrum. But let's hope it finishes up within an hour because that's how much time I have. We're going to turn this on. I don't want it on too high, but I don't want it on too low. That looks good. What do you think? Okay, we're gonna leave this to churn for the next however long, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer to finish freezing while I pick up the kids. I'll give it a try and let you know how it goes. Well, as you can see, we have pretty much hit the limit of what we can do here. This is a very full ice cream maker. Very full. So that was 4.5 cups of liquid, and I think 4.5 cups of liquid is really the maximum that you can put in here. I'm gonna take out the scoop. See, it's still pretty wet, and I am going to put this, let me taste it. Oh, it's good, it's really good. I'm gonna put this in the freezer with the lid attachment, and later, once it has finally fully frozen through, I'll show you the final product. Thank you so much for watching Janky Cooking with Jessie. I hope that cooking feels more relatable and more accessible with me hosting this show for you. And if you do have the Ankarsrum ice cream attachment, I encourage you to try out new flavors and new exciting things, because what's the use of making your own ice cream if it's not fun and exactly what you're craving? Have a great day. If you liked this show, please click the like button, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.